See the gorgeous green eyes?
They're so cute.
Beautiful ear placement.
This is still a wild animal. You know, at any time, if you see it go after a bug or a bird or a mouse, or just looking at a bird through a window or a mouse, you know it's a little bit of the wild. It's the tiger in the house. I don't think it's possible to explain your fascination with cats. I'm Kathleen Lawton. I am the secretary of Call of the Wild Cat Fanciers.
She's got a nice roundness to that head. Beautiful ear placement. Everything's long. Gorgeous blue eyes. Little stub, little nose.
Beautiful ears.
You want to see those boning on those legs, little short little tail.
Kissy, the girl.
Isis. Her name is Isis.
Cat's name is Caleb.
This is Mackenzie.
This is Sanskrit.
This is a seal point, Berman.
Scottish Fold.
Aussie cat.
Cornish Rex.
Maine Coon. These are Abyssinians.
He's a year and 10 months.
A 4-month-old kitten.
11 months old.
Daddy's little boy.
She's only 4 months and 2 days, so she's a baby.
Why would you not buy this?
There's been hairless cats around for centuries. She likes you.
She says, I see somebody with no hair.
Just didn't like you.
When you come here, you can be a cat lover and really be yourself, and people will understand you.
We're taking her the final.
Just hope for the best.
And then she'll compete for her championship.
Well, that's how we want an ebony oriental to look.
Here's a girl with a story to tell.
Is that really kind of evil look.
I fell in love with the Scottish Folds.
She's got short, chubby little body, groomed to perfection.
I would vote for any of the beautiful cats because I fall in love at every cat show.
And she's my very best cat.
Judges decided this kitten was the best kitten.
She's grand champion.
Here I am showing and breeding these cats, and I just love them. They're wonderful. They have a great temperament.
They know they get special treats here and they get a lot of attention.
Come here, bud. Come here. He's very good about being handled, so he doesn't object. Let's put it that way.
They're beautiful, they're graceful, they're quiet, they're fun. Cats are no end to joy, delight, laughter, and love. They're my grand passion.
Okay, we gotta go.
She's ready to go home.
We're pleased. Cats are pleased. Long day.